Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing great. It's me, Stacy, and I'm here with another Tablescape for you. Today I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by my sweet friend Tammy over at Me, Myself, and DIYing It. The title of this Tablescape is called Put the Pedal to the Metal. All right. Love that title. It's also co-hosted by three beautiful creators here on the YouTube platform. The first one is Savings with Mrs Vee. Next, we have Creatively MsMe with Stephanie. And we also have, lastly, MystyleMycolours with Sule. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right on into my version of Put the Pedal to the Metal. And here is my centerpiece. My metal for this particular tablescape are the candle holders that you see here. These are actually metal. Yes, they are metal and they are heavy. We're gonna go right on around this tablescape real quickly. It's not gonna take long. And here we go. All of my place settings are exactly the same. And for this particular tablescape, I chose to use these plates because not only is it glam and it's shiny, but it gives you a representation of metal as well if you think outside the box. Also, another piece of metal for this tablescape are my napkin rings. The butterfly napkin rings from Pier 1 are also metal. As my drinkware, I used the wine or water goblets from Dollar Tree. My combination of gold and silver flatware and a DIY candle holder, just to give it a little more ambiance. I also placed my DIY garden ginger jar here. And as you can see, there's a candle lit inside. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching, this is my version. Of Put the Pedal to the Metal Tablescape 2020. I hope you enjoyed. And before you leave, I would like to thank you all for watching and ask that you please subscribe if you have not subscribed. I would appreciate it very much. I would love to have you over to the house. Like, comment, share. And have a blessed day, you guys. Thank you for watching again. Peace and love always.